Warm welcome to episode number 73. We have started with the paneling of the external passage, entering towards the common passage of the flat. We have completed paneling, which is a mix of aluminum as well as carpentry. Now, in the kitchen area, exclusive carpentry work is going on with the inner carcasses and the framing of the kitchen area. Living room, this is the part where we had a pocket which I'm going to close, and we have a camouflage door over there. This is the TV unit paneling and the TV unit storage along with the window storage what you are seeing. This part as well is some of a balance of storage units. This is the kids bedroom. We have started with the painting preparations, and you are seeing the fixing of fan rod is also going on. At the same time, we are covering all the furniture to avoid any damages to the furniture units. In the master bedroom as well, we'll be first focusing on covering of all the stone tile material and the carpentry as well. So thank you so much. Do like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.